Good morning. Today's gonna be quite the day. Got to go hit Best Buy, see if I can get a CarPlay receiver for the Passat. Also gonna check out window tinting, so hopefully we don't bake in a greenhouse on this trip across country. And then we gotta pack everything. That's all stuff. All our stuff. Check out this shower. How cool is that? It's huge, got so much room for activities. You could do like steam hot shower yoga right here. So fresh, so clean. The other thing we have to fit into the car today is this. It's big. Let me show you just how big. Best Buy opens in 20 minutes. According to my GPS, I'll be there in about 16. It's 2019. I want my podcast. I want my streaming music. Got the stereo, got the radio. Hopefully it's CarPlay. They can't install it until the beginning of April. I'm either gonna do it myself or I want to see Soundtronics here in Wilmington. Soundtronics, get me in at 1:30. No more. Good. Looked up the size of the packaging for that inflatable raft when I first bought it, and it's like 24 by 12 by 14 at Target. And we're gonna see if we can find a container that'll fit it. This is the one. This is about the same size. It's definitely bursting at the seams. Bam! Soundtronics. One of the things I wanted though was wireless Apple CarPlay. I wanted to get in the car and PFM, pure freaking magic. Everything talk to each other and it just do what it needs to do. This should do that. Alright, so it's in. Soundtronics did it. They did a pretty good job from everything I could tell. And I'm using it right now with the Waze like you just saw. I really like it. Nice because it's wireless. So literally, I can just leave my phone in my pocket. It just pops right up, which is really nice. So went to the DMV. There were some issues there. So we have to go back tomorrow to try and get the registration for the Passat taken care of. Fish tacos! You want to know how I know she loves me? The glare. That was one of the options. Tomorrow, we were supposed to leave early. Plan now is go to the DMV, get the car registration taken care of, whatever that all means. pack and load the car up, and then head out. And with that, I'm out.